Hey friends, have you heard? Sam Altman, the founder of ChatGPT, has said that children shouldn't focus so much on coding anymore. Why? Because AI is becoming so advanced that it's going to eat up all the coding jobs, and it's already started. In fact, what he said is already happening in India on a massive scale. You know, TCS, right? The company that was always considered a super safe, secure job. Well, even they have just laid off 12,000 employees. This is shocking. The future we were talking about, where AI takes our jobs, is happening right now. Now, TCS said it was because of a skills gap. But think about it. This skills gap is exactly what AI tools are filling. AI has started doing better work than many people and in much less time. That's why it's absolutely essential for all of us to start integrating AI into our lives as much as possible. Otherwise, someone else will learn AI, and in just 1 week, they could devour your 10 years of experience, overtake you, and get the job you wanted. That's why I need you to take today's video seriously. This is about your future. It's about your success. That's why I'm going to share the exact same advice I gave my nephew. A couple of years ago, I told him to learn coding. But now, I told him, Nate, don't focus on coding. Focus on AI. Master the AI tools that solve real problems. If you're not using AI to save at least 10 hours a week, you're falling behind. I don't want you to miss this train. So today, I'm sharing 21 incredible AI tools that will save you time, save you money, and put you way ahead of the competition. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a content creator, or a business owner. Let's start with the first category, general and content creation. First up, Nano Banana. It's a feature in Gemini, and it's taking the internet by storm. Experts are calling it the world's top image editing model. You can take any photo and do almost anything with it. For example, I took my photo and placed myself sitting with my idols, like Alex Hormozy and Tony Robbins. You can just type, "Put me near the Burj Khalifa in Dubai," and bam, it's done perfectly. Think about how many photo editors' jobs are at risk because of this. Next is Claude AI. My team loves this for research. They say it gives even better results than ChatGPT, especially for creating content and scripts. Its superpower is handling large PDFs. You can upload an entire book and start asking questions about it. Then there's Hey. This tool is a game changer for camera-shy creators. You train it with a few of your videos, and it creates your digital avatar. Then, you just feed it a script, and it creates a video with your face and voice. It even does multilingual dubbing with perfect lip sync. And that brings us to 11 Labs for voice cloning. I can train it with my voice, and then generate audio without even speaking. This is a lifesaver for me right now since my throat is sore. The combination of Heijen and 11 Labs is helping creators get millions of views. Number 5 is Kling AI. You've probably seen those viral videos where a still image starts moving. That's what Kling does. It breathes life into images. I created an image of me on a stage and used Kling to make the crowd cheer. You can create amazing concept videos and ads right from home. Next is Google's Veo. This creates ultra-realistic videos from a simple text prompt. We used it to create an intro for my podcast. Instead of searching for stock footage, you can now create exactly what's in your head. Imagine a man in space with diamonds raining down. Veo can make it happen. Tool number 7 is Opus Clips. If you do podcasts in English, this tool is a lifesaver. It automatically finds the most viral-worthy clips from your long-form content and turns